Freedom can be achieved for Tibet. This is a battle that we can win. Our Tibetan spirit is unwavering, even in the face of our oppressors. They can burn our book, but they cannot extinguish the truth. They can imprison our people, but they cannot chain our determination. And as long as there is injustice inside Tibet, there will be people fighting for freedom. And as long as there is oppression, there will be resistance. And to be successful,
responsibility to amplify their voices and advocate for peaceful resolution through the middle way approach, or known as Umelam, also a path rooted in dialogue, reconciliation, and mutual respect, initiated by His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. This day is a reminder of the power of unity. The Tibetan cause is not only the fight of one people, it is a global call for justice, human rights, and freedom. Every one of us, whether inside Tibet or in the diaspora, has a role to play. Our small actions, whether speaking out, attending events within our community, or educating others, could...
Next we have a statement from President Tejidawala from Minnesota Chicago.
Yeah.
제규대 배미 용도 랭게식레마도 셰순라 카욕사미 데레송자 야나마베슌기 그 되우 감숨도 세뇌다 두수당와 달레 데브레 거기 최다 릭숑 케이소 이나야 지도 공사 개부 전부초 가디 주제 가디다 제대로 되네 먼저 제조 나와 let's support one another and let us move forward as one people of one goal, the freedom of Tibet and the return of His Holiness to his rightful home in Lhasa, Tibet. Pögyalo, Pöranzegyalo,
Tibet, young children have been taken from their families and forced to attend Chinese boarding schools where Tibetans is treated as an afterthought. Therefore, it is particularly important for our new generation of Tibetans to pay attention to our culture, language, and tradition that have been and continue to be under attack. In conclusion, long live His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, the heart and soul of Tibetan people, the spiritual guide and teacher for millions around the world. May the day he returned to Potala Palace come quickly, and may the day the Tibetan from Tibet and in exile unified come swiftly. Thank you all. Pögyalo! Pögyalo! Pögyalo!
Are forced to stay silent? Will you let the struggles of our grandparents be forgotten? Will you stand by while their hopes and dreams fade? No, now is the time to educate yourself, to speak up, and to unite and to take action. The world changes when young people rise. So rise for our country, rise for our freedom, and rise for our people. The time is now. Step forward and lead the change. Free Tibet. Pögyalo.
Remain strong and come together as a community to support one another through grief and hardship, just as we always do. As we stand here today, united by our shared history and our dreams for the future, let us remember the strength we draw from each other. Let us continue to carry forward the legacy of those who fought for our freedom and those who are no longer with us. One world, one dream, free Tibet.
And your religion. We stand with you in demanding basic human rights for a free and democratic Tibet. And I want to commend the Dalai Lama's commitment to nonviolence and seeking a peaceful resolution for you and your people. So with this, please know that we in the Minnesota legislature support you in commemorating today is a very important day for you. And have a wonderful day. And please go in peace. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Senator Pratt. And sorry, I'd like to quickly pause for a moment to invite up our speakers from today, the different organizations, for a quick photo with Senator Pratt. So.
Bulan dosachilik nani deyu. Tadi ngato checho na yoke finisu. Bulan dosachilik cheni. Ha tanke. Dao dena shuna ngo chikute. Azo sami ki lengebe.
Ilo juta tabu.
In Tibet! In Tibet!
China lies! China lies! China lies! China lies! Stop the killing! In Tibet! 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 Stop the killing! In Tibet!
Dalai Lama! Dalai Lama! Dalai Lama! Dalai Lama! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! China! China! In Tibet! Tibetans! Tibetans!
Tibet belongs to! One world, one dream!
Free Tibet! Free Tibet!
One world, one dream!
Free Tibet! Free Tibet!
One world, one dream!
And Tibet!
Stop the torturing!
And Tibet!
Stop the torturing!
And Tibet!
Stop the torturing!
And Tibet!
Stop the killing!
In Tibet!
Stop the killing!
In Tibet!
In Tibet! Tibet belongs to! Nation!
Long live!
Dalai Lama!
Long live!
Dalai Lama!
Free Tibet! Stop the torture!
In Tibet!
Stop the torture!
In Tibet!
Release! Release!
Nation Lama!
Release! Release!
Nation Lama!
Wake up! Wake up! China! 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 Stop the killing! In Tibet! Stop the killing! In Tibet! Stop the murdering! In Tibet! Stop the torturing! In Tibet! Stop the torturing! In Tibet! Stop the genocide! In Tibet! In Tibet! Stop the genocide! In Tibet!
Dalai Lama! Dalai Lama!
Nation Lama! Nation Lama!
United Nations! United Nations! We want justice! Wake for one dream! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Tibet belongs to! Tibet belongs to! Shame, shame!
Chinese government!
Chinese government, shame! Shame, shame!
Chinese government! Shame!
Shame, shame!
Chinese government! Shame!
Shame, shame!
Chinese government shame.
Genocide in Tibet! Stop the killing in Tibet! Stop the genocide in Tibet! Long live Dalai Lama! Long live Dalai Lama! Release, release! Pension Lama! Release, release! Pension Lama! Shame, shame! Chinese government! Shame, shame! Chinese government! United Nations! We want dream! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Dalai Lama! Live! Dalai Lama! 여러분들 투하게 마셔. 여러분들 투하게 마셔. One dream, free Tibet, Tibet. Freedom of media, freedom of religion, Tibet. We want justice. Tibet belongs to. Tibet belongs to. Shame, shame. Shame, shame, Chinese government, free Tibet. Peggy double, heavy. Peggy double, heavy.
Free Tibet! Free Tibet! United Nations!
We want justice!
China!
Out!
China out of Tibet now!
China out of Tibet now!
Long live!
Dalai Lama!
Long live!
Dalai Lama!
Tibet belongs to?
Tibet!
Tibet belongs to?
Human rights. Stop the killing. Stop the United Nations. United Nations. China, China, China.
long show long show 一起努，世界人民公民，将与全部在一起努。